it's already an active day, and the day, well, for me, it's just beginning. For a lot of you guys, it's starting to come to a close. So make sure you're taking it easy out there if you have any of those late evening errands to run, or if you're working a little bit late. We got 91 degrees right now. Wow, that's pretty warm. Yeah, that's actually a bad thing though. So we have a lot of cloud cover. That cloud cover is stopping us from warming up too much. If we get too warm, we start to see a lot more active storms. Once we're over that 90-degree threshold, we're going to see more active storms. Now, will they be localized? Come here. No, probably not. But we are going to see a lot more of those active storms moving out into the eastern parts of the Permian Basin as the evening progresses. Here's where that big threat is going to be, more towards San Angelo, Abilene, and especially out toward North Texas, central Oklahoma. You got that tornado watch. Now, the tornado watch is in effect until 11 o'clock tonight, but it does affect our eastern counties, places like Snyder, Big Spring, all the way down to Big Lake. But the good news is I'm not seeing any active storms over there yet. Here's the one active storm. It's trying to act independent. You can actually see this line. Now, this line is actually the cold front. Most of the storms are going to form right along the dry line. That's going to be near Fort Davis, near Alpine. That dry line, all right, you start to see a couple of these storms popping up. Yeah, we actually have dust storm warning up to Monahans because of that, because of all those dust storms. Then the storms, they go independent. These ones can go in any direction, but ideally they're going to ride up alongside that cold front and then move out of our area. They're going to have more speed. This one, not necessarily. All right, we still have that severe thunderstorm warning. That's in effect now until 5 o'clock. 60-mile-an-hour winds, golf ball-sized hail. Yeah, hail is starting to increase. And, well, we're kind of in that perfect area for it. Level 3 enhanced risk. That's not really a good thing when we're under an enhanced risk. And it's mainly because of the tornado threat and the large hail threat on top of damaging winds. Yeah, we got a, triple whammy here. Tonight, 67. It's pretty warm. Because we're going to have a lot of cloud cover just lingering around the area. But at least most of the rain is not going to be happening during the overnight hours. You will get those occasional gusts though too. We got a front right on top of us. So if you hear some of those gusts, it's likely not going to be from a storm. It's going to be from the cold front itself. By tomorrow, about 85, southerly winds at 20 miles an hour, 30% chance of those storms. So here are those storms. Later tonight, the models are telling me, hey, it's all going to break off and move out of our area by 6 o'clock. I sure hope that's the case. That means it's going to be a relatively quick evening in terms of active weather. We're going to have a lot of that cloud cover lingering around into the overnight hours, starting off tomorrow morning. A little bit more sunshine, but keep in mind, the warmer it gets, the more energy these storms are going to have to form. Right around 3 o'clock, kind of forming right where we're seeing those storms now, breaks off, moves its way on up, and we're relatively clear by around 9 o'clock tomorrow. All right, that seems pretty good to me. Now, what about your Wednesday? Wednesday is going to be very limited. Just the northern basin is likely going to see some activity. Here's that severe risk for tomorrow. Oh, look, another enhanced risk. Yay. We're going to keep our eye on that. This one extends all the way down close to Odessa, but includes Midland, Big Spring, and Snyder. So what do you need to know? Basically, tomorrow afternoon, large hail, wind damage, isolated tornadoes. Keep an eye out for all of that stuff, because even on Wednesday, well, actually on Wednesday, it looks to move entirely out of our area. Let's hope it stays that way, because these storm chances, they go away for literally one day, and then they come right back. Jolena.
And this is why I did not wash my car this weekend. Coming up next.